Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how you can enable and set up Discord overlay on your desktop. So for that you need to click on user settings and then go to game overlay under the activity settings panel. Here on the top you will see enable in-game overlay. When it turns green, it means that the overlay is enabled. So in order to set the hotkey, you need to click on the toggle overlay lock. When you click on it, it will turn red. So I personally like Alt Q, which is not necessarily used in much of the games. And below you can see some of the options: avatar size, display names, display users. Avatar size is the size of the person speaking. I personally like the settings that are by default. And you can see the overlay notifications. You can change the position of a notification while you are playing a game. If you don't want any notification, then click on this guy here. In order to add some games, you need to click on register games and then click on edit. Here you need to select a game any you want and then click on add game. In order to enable the overlay, you need to click on this icon and you can see that the overlay has been enabled. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels, and I will see you in the next one.